Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're going to show you how to make some delicious smelt cakes, or pretty much Midwest crab cakes. What you'll need for this recipe is smelt, potatoes, scallions, a few garlic cloves, salt and pepper, 2 eggs, cilantro, and the panko crumbs. Now it's time to get things prepped. You can start by peeling your potatoes. Next, cut your potatoes into fourths. Fill a large pot about half full with water. Add your potatoes, salt, and your smelt. Bring the pot to a boil and let the potatoes cook until they're soft, or about 10 minutes. While that cooks, you can continue prepping the rest of your ingredients. You can start by mincing your garlic. Next, chop your scallions. Lastly, finely chop your cilantro. Now with your cooked smelt and potatoes, take a fork and begin mashing everything together. With everything mashed together well, you can now stir in your minced garlic. Next, add in your scallions and continue mixing everything together well. Continue by stirring in the salt and pepper. Add in your cilantro and stir that into the mixture. Pour in your cup of panko crumbs and continue mixing. Finally, crack and add in your 2 eggs and then stir everything together. If you like a little added heat like we do, you can try adding some cayenne or sriracha to the mix. Lastly, heat oil in a pan and form the mixture into patties. Continue cooking until nice and golden brown. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe up in the top left, or check out more wild game cooking on the right. Until then, have a good one.